Decimals. Decimals. Look at this rectangle. It is divided into 10 equal parts. We shade 4 parts of the rectangle out of the 10 parts. The fraction representing the shaded parts of the rectangle is written as 4 by 10. 4 by 10 is equal to 0.4. So we can also say that 0.4 part of the rectangle is colored. The dot between 0 and 4 is called the decimal point. Any decimal number has 2 parts. The part on the left of the decimal point is known as the whole number part, and the part on the right of the decimal point is known as the decimal part. Tenths. The rectangle is divided into 10 equal parts. Each part is 1/10 of the rectangle. The shaded part is called the fractional or decimal part. In decimal, we read 1/10 as 0.1. In this decimal number, the whole number part is 0 and the decimal part is 0.1, which shows that it is less than 1 whole. If the whole rectangle is shaded, then it represents 1 whole, which is equal to 10 1/10ths or 10 tenths. Look at this shape and its shaded parts. The shaded part represents the fraction to by 10. This fraction can also be written as 0.2. Place value of the digits in the decimal numbers. Look at these decimal numbers placed in a place value chart. In 3.6, 3 is at the ones place and 6 is at the 10th place after the decimal point. So, the place value of 3 is 3 and the place value of 6 is 6 by 10. Similarly, the place values of the other decimal numbers are written like this. Hundredths. Look at this 10 by 10 grid here. The shaded part represents the 1/100ths of the whole grid. 1/100ths is written as 1 by 100 in decimal form. It is written as 0.01. In the same way, if we shade 16 boxes out of 100 boxes, then the shaded part will represent the decimal number 0.16. Remember that in the place value chart, the hundredths column is shown to the right of the tenths column. Thousandths. If we divide one whole into 1000 equal parts, then one part represents the 1000th part. If out of the 1000 parts 153 parts are shaded, it represents the decimal number 0.153. Standard and expanded form of decimal numbers. Look at this decimal number. The place value of 5 is 5 times 1 by 10 is equal to 0.5. The place value of 3 is 3 multiply 1 by 100, which is 3 by 100 or 0.03. Thus, the expanded form of 372.53 is 300 plus 70 plus 2 plus 0.5 plus 0.03. The number 372.53 is in its standard form. Like and unlike decimals. Like decimals, the decimal numbers that have an equal number of digits after the decimal point are called like decimals. For example, 42.36, 23.09, 67.54, 12.01 are all like decimals. Unlike decimals, the decimal numbers that do not have an equal number of digits after the decimal point are called unlike decimals. For example, 34.9, 67.89, 14.103 are all unlike decimals. Conversion of fractions into decimals. Let us understand two ways to convert fractions into decimals. Method 1. If the denominator of the fraction is in the form of 10, 100, or 1000, then count the number of zeros in the denominator and place the decimal point in the numerator after the same number of places, starting from the right. For example, 6 by 10 equals 0.6, 145 by 100 equals 1.45. Method 2. If the denominator of the fraction is not in the form of 10, 100, or 1000, then find its equivalent fraction with the denominator in the form of 10, 100, or 1000, and then place a decimal point as explained in method 1. For example, convert 3 by 5 into a decimal number. To convert 3 by 5 into an equivalent fraction with a denominator in the form of 10, 100, or 1000, multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 2. Thus, 3 by 5 multiplied by 2 is 6 by 10, which is 0.6. Conversion of decimals into fractions. We can convert a decimal number into a fraction by dividing it with 10, 100, or 1000 depending upon the number of digits in the decimal part. For example, convert 0.4 into fractional form. Since the decimal number 0.4 has one digit in the decimal part, we will divide it by 10. Then 0.4 equals 0 plus 4 by 10, which is 4 by 10. Thus, the fractional form of 0.4 is 4 by 10.